Hey everybody, it's Ace here with Ace's Takes. Welcome to my channel where we talk about all the things we love to collect in our home. Have some information on a Goyard drop that's going to be coming soon for limited edition. Grab yourself something to drink. I'm still drinking my water. So good. Let's get into it. So I got notification from my sales associate that there was going to be a new collection that was being released, and we were invited to go look at it. So we popped into the city yesterday to look at the new collection, wound up buying something completely different, but that's okay. So the new collection is more of a men's line. It's a khaki color. As you can see up here, it's green. It's different than the bright green that you would see. It's almost like a camouflage military type color, which I believe is sort of the inspiration of what they were going for. And I was able to see the Cap Vert, the Belvedere, and the Cisalpine backpack. And then they also are doing a Saint Sulpice card wallet and the Saint Florentine wallet as well. And the cool thing about the khaki that they sent to the San Francisco store is that they did the marquage where you're painting on them. So each of the different items had either GYD 233 or GSF with a number. And so it was Goyard San Francisco painted specifically for the store that had a number where it was either 1, 2, 3, or 4. And I wanted to go in and look at the backpack, and the backpack had already been sold. So I was really bummed about that. I do like the Belvedere. I think that might be something that I would purchase down the line, but I don't know that I was that in love with the color to be like, I have to take that home. We wound up getting the ambassade document case because it's more in flow with the colors that we're looking at. But I loved the fact that it was painted with GSF and a number because that means it's completely unique. There's only one of those. Now, granted, they'll make more of the khaki colored bags, but it is numbered and hand painted. Something I did not know is if you want to get your bags hand painted by Goyard, which you can, you have a 3-month limit from when you purchase it to get it painted. So I've decided I wanted to get my Hardy bag painted. It's been too long. So if we want to get the new bag that we just purchased painted, we need to go within the next 3 months before, otherwise they won't do it any longer. So the color was really pretty. It was in the standard, the bags I think a lot of people use. I loved the backpack. I'm looking forward to seeing if they're going to they're going to get a second shipment in. I'm looking forward to seeing if they're going to get more of those same types of bags or if they're going to release it in a different color or a different style as well. So something to look forward to. I think it was cool to go in there and see something that was not available to the public yet. So one thing I will say is they were showing the VICs, very important customers, which I think was really cool. I didn't think that I would qualify for that, but they're not letting everybody purchase it yet. So only people that were contacted by the sales associates were able to purchase at that time. So they might even be sold out if you go into the store. So just something cool to think about. Hope you liked the information. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all the things. Cheers.